Welcome to Size 13 Random Facts, where we pick anyone, anywhere, or anything and find 13 random facts about it, then share those facts with you. If you have something you would like us to find 13 random facts about, then mention it down in the comment section and we will do our best to make it happen for you. Right now, before we get started, if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe buttons along with the notification bell, which all happen to be down below this video. This way you can be kept informed every time I upload a new video, which is daily. Today we are going to learn 13 random facts about one of the top men in horror of all time. The person, Vincent Price. So sit back, relax, and grab yourself something to drink quickly. I'd leave the Bloody Mary alone though. And let's start off with number 1. Around the time he played in Edward Scissorhands, the veteran actor discovered that he had lung cancer. He died of the disease on October 25, 1993 at his Los Angeles home. It would be nice if they finally found a cure for cancer though, hopefully in my lifetime. Number 2, he collaborated with director Roger Corman on several Edgar Allan Poe adaptations, including House of Usher 1960, The Pit and the Pendulum 1961, and The Raven 1963. Number 3, he voiced the villainous Ratican in the animated tale The Great Mouse Detective 1986. I think I saw that. Feel free to share this video with your friends. Help us make this channel become known so more people will come to watch. More the merrier. Number 4. One of Price's final roles was in Tim Burton's Edward Scissorhands. He played a gentle version of Dr. Frankenstein who creates a teenage boy. Price's character dies before he finishes his work, leaving the boy with metal scissors for hands. Now we know the story. Speaking of Tim Burton, I did a 13 random facts on him yesterday, and the day before him we did Boris Karloff, and before him Alfred Hitchcock. So check them out when you get a chance. All top men of horror thriller for their time. Number 5. Vincent's grandfather was the inventor of Dr. Price's baking powder. It was the first cream of tartar baking powder on the market. Of course, I don't think I've ever tried it. I wasn't here then. It seems both his grandfather and father were known for something, so it's no surprise that Vincent Price followed in their footsteps. Meaning he too was known for something during his lifetime. As I said earlier, he had some big shoes to fill. Number 6, sometimes called the Master of Menace, Vincent Price was born on May 27, 1911, and grew up in St. Louis, Missouri. Price was the youngest of 4 children, born to an upper middle class family. Number 7, he rose to fame in the 1950s with a series of horror films, including the big screen hit House of Wax, which revitalized the horror genre and was one of the first films shot in 3D, The Fly, and House on Haunted Hill. So if you haven't been there yet, go check out our other channel, Shy's Daily Trivia. There's some trivia over there that are all about this video here, along with some other subjects too to choose from. They're not all about Vincent Price or all about Halloween. Number 8, Victoria Price wrote a biography on her father. In an interview with the Los Angeles Times, she described him as a lovely, sweet man who was larger than life, a far cry from the villains that Price played on the big screen. So if you happen to know a few facts that aren't on this list here, please feel free to share them down below in the comment section with us. We do love facts. The more the better. Number 9. Part of Price's appeal as a villain was the humor he could inject into these sinister roles. His distinctive voice contributed to his ability to create tension in films. He spoke in rich, deep tones, which sometimes had an eerie and unsettling quality. You know, I remember growing up as a child watching TV and some of the shows that he was in, and his voice used to make me nervous just listening to him. Number 10. He added an ominous air to the Michael Jackson's 1983 Thriller video by delivering an opening monologue. Price also worked with rocker Alice Cooper on his first solo album, Welcome to My Nightmare. Be sure to come back tomorrow for some more random facts. Bring your friends with you. Let's help this channel get more known and get more people here. Number 11. In 1990, Price was asked by Walt Disney Imagineering to lend his voice for the Phantom in their new ride, Phantom Manor, for the forthcoming Euro Disneyland that opened in 1992. So let me know in the comments below if any of these facts surprised you. Personally, I get surprised every day from all the different facts I read during my research, so I get surprised every day. And yes, there was a few facts on here that surprised me. Number 12, his father, Vincent Leonard Price, was the president of the National Candy Company, once the largest candy company in America. Thank you for joining me today, and I do hope you learned something. We do try to make it both educational and fun for everyone, including you. And our number 13 fact, Vincent Price's career spanned 7 decades and over, which he appeared in 75 films. Mr. Price would attend his film's premieres in costumes to play pranks on moviegoers. That'd be so cool, wouldn't it? So that's it. That's all I got. That's all I could find. And that's how I found them. So, with that being said, I hope you had fun today. I will be back tomorrow. Hopefully you'll be back with me. And until you return, and until I return, have yourselves a great day. And bye for now.